Are you tired of every application being denied? Ready to start getting approved? If your credit rating is less than good, you could be paying really high interest rates, higher deposits, denied for loans, and credit cards. Is your dream to become a homeowner but bad credit holding you back? Let the credit professionals at Alexis Jalena Financial Solutions get you on the path to financial freedom. We can help with removing inaccurate, derogatory, and erroneous information from your credit report. Text CREDIT to 954-866-1717 to get started, or sign up now at ajfinsolutions.com.